Hey, Vanessa Jones here, and welcome. I want to talk to you today about a company by the name of iMarkets Live. So let's go ahead and jump right into this and let me know if you have any questions along the way. So let's see. What is iMarkets Live? Well, of course, it is a financial vehicle. We are here to talk about money. Um, iMarkets Live has done something that is absolutely genius, in my opinion, by combining two of the largest industries in the world with a very unique business model. So, trading of Forex and futures, which is a $5.3 trillion industry per day. So, not like an annual or a monthly, that's per day. And then the network marketing industry, which is $180 billion per year. So, when you put those together, a lot of magical things can happen. So, let's dive right into this. And I do want to say something up front. While iMarkets Live has brilliantly combined these two industries together, some of you may be here just to learn about how to trade Forex and how to, get the signals that are offered as one of the products, and that's totally fine. So, just like anything, take from this what applies to you, okay? So, what is network marketing? I'm sure you've either been in a network marketing company or you know someone that has. There are over 10,000 companies in the industry. It's $180 billion in sales per year. It can be worked part-time, from home, from anywhere really. And it's one of the largest ways that people get started in the home business industry. So, it's typically fairly low risk, minimal investment, and a lot of times it's endorsed by, a public figure, and surrounding products and services, things that people need every day in their life. Okay. What is Forex? Forex is the foreign exchange market. It's where you can buy and sell currencies. Again, it is a $5.3 trillion industry per day. 5.3 trillion. That's bigger than a billion, okay? It is a global market. It is the most liquid market in the world. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and you can run it completely from your smartphone. Central banks, financial institutions, and individuals are different types of entities and people that actually invest in the Forex market. So I know I've been investing for a few years now, and prior to that, I thought it was just, the big wigs that invested in the Forex market. And I've come to learn that regular people like you and I can take advantage of this really incredible industry. So, iMarkets Live was founded in 2013. Please excuse me. We are currently established in 120 countries, completely debt free and profitable. A corporate team with a combined experience of over 100 years in the industry. We've got some amazing financial services platform, and the founder is Christopher Terry. And like we mentioned a few minutes ago, it combines two of the most powerful industries that are out there in the world right now. So let's talk about Christopher Terry for a little bit. He is our CEO and founder. He's been quoted in a number of books, published in trading magazines. He, from my personal experience in interactions, he gives a wealth of knowledge to the industry. He offers trading tools and tips, and it's really been a pleasure to watch him and learn from him. So, you'll also get a chance to experience some of his awesomeness. He's a weekly contributor on The Money Show, as well as, traded personal and corporate accounts of over $50 million. So, when you talk about money and making money and growing your money and investing your money, you really want to know that you're learning from someone that knows what they're doing. And he's the brains and a large part of the training structure behind this company. So, how can you earn money with iMarkets Live? Funny you should ask. Let's get into that. We have a couple of different products. And people often ask me which one is my favorite, and I honestly use them all. So I don't have an actual favorite, but I'm definitely happy to answer any questions you have about this. So we have an auto trader, which is 100% hands-free mirror trading services. So you don't have to have any trading experience required. You can be completely new. Super simple to install software. If you can create a Gmail account, seriously, you can get this thing rolling. It automatically mirrors experts, and one of the things I think is really cool about this is there's multiple, I guess, flavors of trading back there. So if you have any type of investments, when you sit down with the person that handles your investments, they ask you, what's your temperament? Are you more low risk or high risk or medium? And there are different options within there so that you can auto trade based on your level of comfort, which is nice. It's not just one forceful, way of trading back there. It works with the top 20 major pairs and crosses, and anywhere in the world you can utilize this service. We've got over a 60% ROI in the past 12 months, which is spectacular. It's a really, really, really great service. So for those of you that are getting started, don't know a lot about the industry, or want to, earn as you go, this can be a really great option for you just to get your feet wet and get off the ground. Okay, let's hop on the next one. This is one of the most incredible tools that we do have, and it is called Swipe Trades. If you're anything like me, busy, I'm a mom and an entrepreneur, work from home full time. I've got a lot going on, and sitting in front of a computer watching trades all day is not on my list of things to do. So we actually get our signals directly on our smartphone utilizing the Swipe Trades app. So the master traders behind it send out the signals, and when you get it, you seriously copy and paste it into your MT4 platform. And we'll get into more about that. That's in some of the training stuff. I just, for the sake of time, want to get through this as quickly as possible. Daily swing trades. This is one of the things that Christopher Terry does himself. And in the evening time, he utilizes one of our other tools, the harmonic scanner, which we'll talk about in a minute. And he analyzes the market so you kind of get an outlook of what to look for the next day. So if you are trading on your own or learning how to trade, it's a nice little tip that you can kind of see where things are going, the night before you get up. So you get up in the morning, you've got a good idea of what's going on. The harmonic pattern scanner for Forex is I often try to figure out a way, some other way to describe this thing. But what it does is it scans the market and it finds trades, and then it tells you exactly where to enter the trade. It tells you your stop loss. It tells you your take profit. And if you don't know what those are, that's covered in one of our training modules. Super simple things to learn. But basically, they're your tips, your signals, and you can just log on there. You can run it on a VPS or VPC, run it from your MT4 platform, and be able to look at a number of trades every single day for potential earnings, and take those trades in your own broker account. So this thing is incredibly amazing, and it's included in the service. I've heard that these can run $5,000 and up. And just from the value that I've received from it, I can definitely see how that's the case. Automated trade signals all day, every day, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It's pretty nice to have this. The IML Academy. So there are a number of things. Some of you may have never heard of Forex before. I know my sister hadn't heard of it when I mentioned to her. So there are various levels of training. Even if you do have experience in Forex, I highly recommend starting at the basic level. Like I said, I've been trading for a few years, and I still was able to get really good value out of all of the training that is provided, the basic, intermediate, and advanced. The other thing that I appreciate out of this training is it's short and sweet. I mean, the modules are like 2 to 5 minutes a piece. So you're not sitting there for hours on end listening to somebody babble. These guys are busy and they're making money. So they are short and sweet, to the point, giving you what you need, action-packed trainings. And I personally really appreciate that. So you can learn directly from the pros by utilizing the IMO Academy, which is also part of it's part of the service. We have a live trading room. I, um, you know, in terms of value, prior to joining iMarkets Live, I was utilizing another service where I had kind of like a coach that I worked with, and it was pretty nice. But this live trading room is something beyond spectacular. Sometimes Christopher Terry is on. There's a number of channels, and we've got some pretty spectacular um, traders that are there. And they come on live. They show their screen. There's a chat box. You can actually ask them questions, and they respond. I'm typically on just about every session possible. Just is I get so much value out of them. And they're calling trades, they're answering questions, they're helping you spot trades, interactive learning. And like I said, it's all included. These are things that people pay thousands upon thousands of dollars to learn over a long period of time, and we have this nicely packaged right here for you. We also have the IML TV, which and please excuse me. Let's go back. Here we go. Live trading is the one with Christopher Terry. I get so excited about all of the value. I just like mush them together. So you've got Christopher Terry actually giving live trades. This is the one, the IML TV, where you see the little live chat on the side. The master trainers are on. It says the London session. They're actually on for all of the sessions. You've got 4 channel options. With right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 different traders that are on at various times for each of the sessions. So you got your New York session, your London session, and you can hop on there, take trades with them, ask them questions, communicate right there in the chat, and it has been extremely beneficial for me personally, and I know as well as plenty of people that are getting a lot of value out of that. So that again is another thing that is included to enjoy. So what are we doing here? We are learning and earning. When a lot of times people think about network marketing, they think, oh, I got to buy something, and then I got to sell something, and then I have to recruit, and you don't necessarily have to. You can. There are definitely some perks to this. So we're going to get into a little bit more of the network marketing side and what that is truly about. But you will be able to join this incredible company as a customer, and I highly advise that you join as a customer. Utilize the service, learn how to trade, get better at trading, get out there and be a pip winner, and utilize the tools that are there and earn money. And if you decide that you want to share this with other people, you absolutely can. It is not required. So here's the deal. All the things we talked about previously, we have a package starting today is our platinum package. It's $195 for an initial payment, and then it's $145 per month thereafter. So, if you're actively, and let me just pause for a minute and let you know, we do not recommend, if you have never traded before starting out in a live account, we recommend that you start out in a demo account. You will trade with play money. So you will join in the platinum package, and then we'll walk you through the steps of setting up your demo account. Okay, you want to learn how to place trades and learn the basis of it before you risk any of your actual capital. And then when you do get started, and trickle it in, and we walk you through how to do that. So for all the training and everything that I just went through, $195 initial payment, and then $145 a month for the subscription. But here's where it gets really cool. If you invite 2 other friends, hey, I'm doing this trading, you want to come trade with me, then the $145 a month is waived. That's it. You can just tell 2 people about it. They decide they want to join, and the $145 per month is waived. So this is one of my favorite quotes from J. Paul Getty. I'd rather have 1% of the effort of 100 men than 100% of my own effort. And being an entrepreneur and a mom, and a traditional business owner, also just, doing everything at the same time, I've learned that this is so important. So let's dive into a little bit of how you actually accomplish this on the other side. So if you want to be a customer, fantastic. Come in, be a customer, utilize the service. You can pay the $145 a month, or you can introduce it to 2 other people and, have the services, all the services completely, included for free. Totally up to you. You can stop there if you like. If you would like to actually go further and actually build this as a side business for an additional stream of income outside of your trading income, this is what you do. We have, my Spanish slide. That was not supposed to come up. Plan de compensación. Well, so the clients, you can be a client. You can have a subscription. And why don't we just go to the next slide where it is in English. So the Platinum 600 is our first rank. So after you become a customer, so you can be a customer, and then you can, if you want to be a free customer, you can be a free customer. And we're going to jump straight to the Platinum 600 position. So you come in, of course, at the Platinum 150, 195 initial startup, 145 a month. And then to become Platinum 600 is you help 3 other people get their 3 people. So if you already have 2 customers, you invite 1 other person, you upgrade to the business option, and then you help them get 3 people, and that brings in $150 a week for your $600 per month by helping 3 people invite 3 other people. And we've got tons of trainings on how to do this. I'm going to blow through this stuff because you'll be able to take a look at this. For the sake of time, I want to get through as much as possible. And you can hop on and, of course, ask us any questions, and also reach out to the person that introduced this to you, and they can also help you, okay? The Platinum 1000, pretty self-explanatory. You have already helped 3 people get 3 people, and then those 3 people are going to get 3 people. That adds $1,000 a month in income to your pocket, okay? Here are the different levels that you can reach. As you can see along the top, it's the name of the rank, the volume required, the total number of subscribers, your monthly pay, and your weekly pay. And these numbers get pretty big. So, the first time I saw this, I went immediately to Chairman 500, and I said a team of 30,000 people brings in $500,000 in monthly pay. Okay, I like those numbers. So here are the rank advancements. There are also bonuses. It's a unit level payment plan. So monthly, when you hit a rank in 90 days, there's an additional bonus. So between $500 to $2,000 in bonuses available for you. So here are the bonuses that you earn per month for each position. For the Chairman's Club positions, okay, between $10,000 and $500,000. Pretty sweet. So how do I start? Pretty simple. We had spoke about being a customer. So the $195 per month, and then it's $145 per month thereafter, unless you get 2 other customers, and then the $145 is waived. If you decide you would like to be an independent business owner, an IBO, you pay the initial $145, $15, so a total of $210. The initial payment subscription, then instead of $145, it's plus the $15, so it's $160 per month. I will tell you this right now. I don't encourage, making this big leap right off the back. The services and the products speak for themselves, and this opportunity, we really want people to utilize the services and not, I don't want to say not focus on building the business, but that's not what this is about. We're here to help you learn the Forex industry and generate income utilizing the services and the tools that we have. So I personally encourage people to get started as a customer and then utilize the services. And then if you like to invite two people just to cover your cost, invite two people and start building from there. If you decide you really want to build this business, you like the services, you're really going to stick with it, then pay the 15 and upgrade and get your IBO. You can take it step by step by step, okay? So just in summary, we've got some pretty amazing products out here. I mean, between the harmonic scanner, the IML the live trading, the swipe trades, the IML Academy of training, I mean, and they are building more and more things in the back office also. All the time, new things are popping up, and it's included. I mean, like I said, other programs that I've been in don't have a fraction of this, and I've paid way more money than what we have to do here. A really powerful payment plan. So if you're trading and you're loving the products and services, and you decide you also like to build a business, it's a pretty nice additional stream of income outside of your trading and whatever else you're doing in life. It's a really simple system. And so we have really easy links to share for you to create, post, and utilize your attraction marketing strategies to get the information out and help other people learn about the Forex industry and get started trading. One of the things I do want to highlight, just to make sure I don't believe I touched on this, is you open your own brokerage account. We have a list of brokers that we recommend depending on what country you are in, but you are actually responsible for your own money. So the $195 initial payment and the $145 per month, or if you upgrade to the IBO plus the 15 per month, is for the platform to utilize the services and to be able to grow a business if you so choose. Your brokerage account, the signals that come in, you copy those signals and put them into your own brokerage account. So you can deposit whatever amount of money you feel comfortable depositing, and it's your account. You manage it, you place your trades, okay? We're not responsible for that. We just give you the trades to place, and we give you the education to learn how to be a better trader, okay? So simple question. Are you working for your money, or is your money working for you? And really think about that. I even as a business owner, I found myself working crazy hours, but when I started investing, I learned more about leverage and how to make my money work for me. I can place my trades, and depending on the type of trades I'm placing, I can stay in them for a few minutes, a few hours, a few days, weeks, or a month. So I can have investments grow for me and have my money work for me, which has been absolutely extraordinary. So think about that. Ask yourself that simple question and answer it truthfully. And if you don't, and if the answer that you have isn't where you want to be, what are you going to do to change it? So let's start there. So, I mean, let's take action. People every day are joining this company to learn how to create financial freedom, to learn how to build a business trading in the Forex market. Thousands of people, and there's no risk. You join it, you decide you don't like it, you don't want to trade Forex, you don't want to create an additional stream of income. 7 days money back guarantee. Give it a test drive. Okay? So again, my name is Vanessa Jones. If you have any questions, please let us know. Reach out to us. We will be answering questions in the group, of course. And please get back in contact with the person that sent you this video, and that should be it. All right, it was great being here today, and I look forward to seeing you guys at the top. Take care.